Welcome to my channel Fairmount Pules. 6 realistic side hustles anyone can start in 2025. Still broke in 2025? These 6 realistic side hustles could be your ticket to freedom. If you enjoy writing, companies and blogs are always hiring freelance writers. No degree needed, just skill. Create ebooks, templates, or printables on Canva and sell them on Etsy or Gumroad. Build an online store and sell trending products. No need to handle shipping or storage. Have a good voice. Platforms like Fiverr and Voices.com pay well for narrations and ads. Manage Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook pages for small businesses. It's in high demand now. Are you good at fitness, cooking, or mindset? Teach it online via Zoom or courses. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment. Start small, grow fast. Which side hustle will you try in 2025? Comment below.